Many women prioritize the upbringing of their children and their busy work schedules over themselves. The stress of juggling caregiving duties and increased workloads means they often neglect their own well-being. This is why Shiseido's professionals has come out with the SUBLIMIC Intensive Hair Repair Program as the perfect solution for working mothers. Within only 30 minutes of treatment time, hair texture is greatly improved, making it both beautiful and resilient. For those who struggle with hard-to-manage hair and want natural soft hair with easy maintenance, Shiseido's unique triple flow motion system transforms stiff, unruly tresses into airy, active, and manageable locks. SUBLIMIC Airy Flow brings out bounce from deep within, such that hair moves easily, feels smooth from the inside out, and has an airy, light finish that looks soft and natural. It's touchable, it's dynamic, and most importantly, it is all under your control. Try out the SMC Intensive Hair Repair Program at Prix Salon to experience the difference for yourself.